outlining the devolution of funds for states and the centre. And he gave two major suggestions to the GST Council. One is about that increase the tax on various items. Secondly, the compensation given to the states by the Government of India, which was 14%, which was decided by the GST Council. He wanted it to be reviewed, which is totally against the spirit of the GST Council meeting, the GST Council decision, and also Constitution. Because constitutionally, the Government of India is mandated to pay 14% compensation to every state for full 5 years. Now the states are demanding that it should be made to 10 years because the GST, the revenue is not increasing for various states, which are manufacturing states are suffering. Consumer states are getting the advantage because earlier the CST, Central Sales Tax, was origin-based tax. Now GST is a consumer-based tax, destination tax. Therefore, manufacturing states are suffering. Destination tax are getting advantage. Therefore, this issue is a very larger issue where we wanted to take a call on that. And now all the members were totally against the encouraging suggestion to increase the rate of tax for various items and also for reducing the compensation amount for various states from 14% to 11% or something like that. And the other major decision that has been taken in the council is relating to reduction of tax on various items. And which is the motor vehicle, they have not decided anything. But as far as the matchboxes and the fish meal, all the items, the corporate item doesn't come in that. It is an announcement made by the finance minister separately. It doesn't come under the purview of GST Council. And certain amendments have been proposed in that. And the major decision that has been taken in the council is that as far as the decision of the sanction given by the 15th Finance Commission should not be agreed.
Sir, there was a demand for the hotels.
That is coming because up to 10,000 rupees, it should be 12%. Beyond 10,000 rupees, it should be 18%.